Yo, what's good YouTube? So today we're going to be talking about content collections, and just go into your source folder, create a new folder, call it content. Alright, inside it let's create a new folder called posts, and then let's call it authors, and let's just create a user.md, and let's create also a post.md, post one for example. Alright, post one. So this is basically just to add some markdown content. So we also have something called file-based routing. So placing a file in this directory basically of the pages, it will build a new page for you, right? So let's say we add in pages a new file called page1.markdown. Alright, so let's page1 about, and let's say test, for example. Alright, let's go to that directory then. So page1, and as you can see we have this markdown content over here, and how we're reading this is by just going into astro.config.mjs, right? And just change the config over here, alright, to markdown. Just add this, it will be looking like this at the beginning. Alright, so we could just add in this markdown property and just add smarty pants to false, which is just a plugin that we don't need, and also GitHub false, right? And if we, for example, remove this, let's see if it's gonna read that markdown. Probably no. Let's restart it. Alright, let's refresh it. Alright, and it's working without this step, by the way. But however, this is just for best practice as per the documentation. Let me just show you where is it located. So AstroJS so in version 2.0, this is just best practice to do what I just did over here. But however, I'm just looking for the reference that I used before. Alright, just a few more moments. It wasn't here. It was, or extend Astro, just a few more moments. Yep, here it is. So yeah, this is where I got this code from, upgrading to version 2. So I'm just gonna add this into the README. Alright, we could just leave the regular one. Just add in this link over here. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I just want to add an upgrade to V2. Alright, so that is pretty much it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Angry Video. Peace.